Kalaagan, ako si Kalaagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Subo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. It's another pageant episode and another pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome Mr. Friendship International Philippines, who will be representing the Sugat capital here in the Queen City of the Philippines, Cebu. Ming Lanilla, we have Mr. Nick. Hi, Nick. How are you?
Hello, Miss Fritz. Maayong adlaw.
Maayong adlaw. So, Nick, you will be representing Ming Lanilla,
Yes.
one of the famous municipalities here in Cebu. And also, when it comes to Ming Lanilla, yung sa Pasigarbo, panalo talaga. Now, is it pressure ba? Or how does it feel that you will be representing Ming Lanilla?
It's very pressure for me to represent Ming Lanilla because Ming Lanilla is known for a lot of things,
Yes.
especially Sugat and Pasigarbo. They are always teaching other municipalities to be winners. And for me, I hope I'll be a winner soon.
Yes, why not? Manifesting for that, diba? Now, what are the things that you prepare or ano yung pinaghanda mo ngayon for the upcoming coronation night?
Honestly, it's very hard for me to prepare because I'm working right now. And the schedule is very hectic. Paiba-iba yung schedule. So, for me, I am really managing the time for me to work out, study, and learn a lot of pageant tricks right now.
Pero alam ko naman, ready ka naman when it comes to the activities during your Mr. Friendship activities, diba?
Yes.
Ready naman.
Handang-handa.
Handang-handa. Now, I have heard kasi you are handled by Mother Ronan. Mega shout out Mother Ronan, who already guested here at Laagan sa Subo. Now, Mother Ronan been handled pageant king and queens at talaga namang mananalo. We have Michael Vercumaling, Binibining Pilipinas, Intercontinental, Gabriel Basiano. Is it pressure ba on your end?
For me, it's really pressure to be handled sa sobra kalig-o na handler. So, for me, it is an opportunity to showcase who I am, my capabilities, and my talent.
But how was he as a handler, if I may ask?
Mabait si Mami Ronan. Tapos, if you need something, pag kausapin mo siya, automatically, tutulungan ka na.
Support. Ganun lang
Support
talaga si Mother Ronan. Describe yourself in one word and why.
For me, I'll describe myself in one word is simple.
Simple.
Kasi we're just human beings, we're just showcasing our talents, and we're entertaining you guys just to make us happy and both sides happy then.
Now, if I were to ask, if you choose one thing, being smart or being beautiful, and why?
For me, it's really hard to pick sa dalawa, di ba? Kung maganda ka naman, you can learn knowledge from it. If pangit ka naman, pwede kang magparitoke para maging maganda.
Yes, science, the magic of science, di ba?
So for me, it's really hard to pili kung saan eh. If ako lang siguro, sa knowledge, siguro intelligence ako kahit ang pangit. Pero, I'm blessed to learn a lot of things. Yun yung important.
And mas maganda naman talaga, you are beautiful inside and out, diba? Now, Nick, what makes you turn on?
What makes me turn on is, simple lang. Just the beautiful smile na makikita ko sa mga tao.
Beautiful smile. Diba? Nag-smile ako dito, diba? Nagpapansin, nakalaagan. Now, what is your own definition of friendship? And how does it embodies you?
Friendship is kung gaano kayo ka solid na pagkatao. the challenges you encountered, kung ganun pa rin yung pagturing sa isang tao, sa lahat ng pangyayari, and nothing changes. If you need someone, they will automatically help you without any hesitation, without any kapalit, yung kumbaga. But for me, those are the important things. Also, honesty sa kaibigan niyo.
Oh, that's the important thing, no? Being honest ang palaging andyan sa'yo eh. Kahit anong nangyayari, andyan. Mukha siyang kapatid na rin. Kapamilya na rin.
Brotherhood,
diba?
kumbaga.
Correct. Diba? But the question is, are you ready to get the crown for the next Mr. Friendship International 2024?
I'm doing my best, hopefully, with the help of my handler, Mami Ronan, and the team that we build. I'm striving my best to be the next Mr. Friendship International.
Wow! Ayun lang mga kalaga, no? Now, before we continue, I would like to thank first our sponsor. I would like to personally thank GPA Studio. Thank you very much for the accommodation. Flora Dermatologica for always making me fresh because I am Team Flora Touch. Now, kindly please invite our Lagan sa Cebu viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, and how we can support you for the upcoming Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024. Go ahead.
You can follow me on my Facebook at Nick St. Pierre, IGN, TikTok, NSP_199X.
All right. Once again, Makalagan, our Mr. Friendship International Philippines, who will be representing Minglan Nilia, we have Mr. Nick. Thank you very much for guesting here at Lagan sa Cebu.
Maraming salamat, Miss.
Daghang kayong salamat sa congratulations on being part of Mr. Friendship and good luck for your upcoming competition.
Maraming salamat.
You're welcome. And also don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Lagan sa Cebu and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Lagan sa Cebu. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Cebu Pageantry All Access.